In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the hidden settings in the Google Chrome web browser, PC 2025. To begin, open Google Chrome on your PC. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or the Start menu, depending on how you normally launch the browser. Before moving on, make sure Chrome is fully open and ready to use. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the very top of the window. This is the same place where you would normally type a website address or search term. In the address bar, type Chrome/flags and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will open Chrome's hidden settings page, which is commonly known as the flags page. This area contains experimental features and advanced options that are not shown in the regular Chrome settings menu. These settings are built into the browser, but they are intended for testing, preview features, and more advanced customization. When you arrive on this page, you may see a warning message at the top. That is normal. Chrome displays this message because changing certain flags can affect how the browser performs. In some cases, enabling or disabling a flag may change stability, speed, appearance, or feature behavior. If you are looking for a specific hidden setting, you can use the search box on the flags page to quickly find it. This is helpful because there are often many entries listed, and scrolling through all of them can take time. After making any change, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser for the update to take effect. That covers everything you need to know.